Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cute way to be able to give money as a Christmas gift, which who doesn't like money? So let's make a fun way to actually open it up. They're actually little money boxes. There are 4 different boxes. They all have different things. So if you wanted to give one to each family member or whatever, you can easily identify who gets what. And they have a matching little pull tab that goes with each one. So that is really neat. You also get 100 little sleeves for your money that just slide in there. And then they've got a little sticker here at the top that you can then interlace them, and some glue dots. They all come real nice and packaged so you'll be able to see them all. And then it ends up like this. So then when you're wanting to give a gift, you've got this really cool box, really easy to fold up, and you just pull on it and your money all just comes right out. That is really neat that it does all of that. And you can put as much money as you want in here. It's easily foldable, and then all you got to do is just get out your money and you are ready to celebrate the season.